And welcome back. We kick things off with football. The JFF is yet to make a ruling in their investigation into allegations that Mount Pleasant Football Academy used ineligible players and surpassed the quota set by the Federation for the number of overseas internationals that can register to a team that can be registered to the team for a Premier League match at any one time.
The allegations were raised in a 16-page document obtained by TVJ Sports, which was sent by Premier League champions Cavalier FC to chairman of the JFF's competitions department, Gregory Daly. Up to sports time, it is unclear whether the JFF's competitions department had their planned meeting to ventilate the matter, which was scheduled for Thursday. The Premier League leaders Mount Pleasant FA are facing the possibility of sanctions relating to both allegations, which involved their last 6 games. The letter stated that Mount Pleasant FA registered 3 players outside of the January transfer window. 2 of those players represented their former club, Real Hope, in February during the CONCACAF Champions Cup before traveling to Jamaica to represent Mount Pleasant in the Premier League. Now, according to TVJ Sports sources, the Haitian players, Angela Excelas and Jody Johnson, could also face disciplinary action from the JFF. Now, should Mount Pleasant be found guilty of the breaches, they could face a 15-point deduction, having won 5 of the 6 games in question. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.